an 8-week-old puppy. Okay, our favorite exercise covers a lot of bases. It gives the puppy exercise. It helps us bond with the puppy. It teaches come, and it's going to teach sit. So man, is it, I mean, it just, you can't go wrong with this one. So you get 2 people, 3 people, 4 people, however many you want, and you kind of spread out, and you're going to start real slow, real close, and you're all going to have treats, and you're each going to call the puppy to you one at a time. So go ahead, Gracie.
Bingley, come here, Bingley. Come on, come. Good boy.
Make sure his booty, see how she waited until his booty was on the floor before she gave him that treat. So this is the 3rd time we've done this exercise, and he is already knowing, okay, I've got to go back to her to get my next treat. And he's adopted this sit posture. This is just the 3rd time we've done it.
That's a good boy. That's a good boy.
Now that he's getting the hang of it, we're going to spread out further. All right, go ahead.
Come here, Bingley. Come. Come here, Bingley.
She is not going to give him that treat until she pushes his nose down to where his booty is on the ground. Then she'll release the treat from her hand.
Come here, baby. Come here. Oh, you're a handsome boy. That's a good sit, too. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Come on, Bingley. Come. Come.
So he is
Good
running.
boy.
He's bonding. He's learning come. He's learning his name. He's learning that every time he comes up to somebody,
Yeah.
huh?
Yes, a good baby. Oh, you're so smart. Yeah. Yeah, you are.
All right, good.
Come on, Bingley.
So you want to get every family member involved in this. There is no one too young to be involved with this. But that way he learns to come to everybody and not just say the one that is with him most of the time.
Oh, so good, baby. Oh, so good, baby. Good baby, you're so smart. Yeah.
So that's it. That's our favorite exercise. And it is so easy, and they pick up on it so quickly.